Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. I made the spikes out of clay. And then I spray painted them with silver paint. Oh, there we go. Also, I don't know how these people can wear so many layers. I love this look, but I am overheating right now a lot. So I can't wait for this to come off. Have you seen squishy spikes? And also, ow. There's one thing I wanted to say. I know I rarely post my makeup on Instagram right now, so I'm gonna try to post more of it. But if TikTok gets taken down, I for sure will start posting everything on Instagram. And that is all I had to say, so do what you want with that information, and you have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair is so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. In the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. My skin can breathe. Contacts are off and that is it. Well, hello there. You guys know what time it is, right? You better know what time it is. You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. Yeah, I'm fine. Pain is just a social construct. I can't feel anything. Whoop. Now the eye. I can't even see where the latex ends. There it is. Now it's just the easy part left. Whenever I start taking my makeup off, it always looks scarier than the original look. Like, look at this. I look dead. Come play with me. I can't take myself seriously. My eyeliner was on point though. It's gotta go. All clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It's time to take this off again. Now, because I've been moving my mouth, the mouthpiece is already kind of coming off. We can have a great time taking it off together. Nice. I can move my mouth now. This is weird. Now for the eyepieces. And now I'm gonna go shower. Face is clean, eyebrows are still on, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. My teeth are stained with blood. Lovely. I might have gone a little bit too far, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. Whoop. I was so careful to not get my hair in latex this time. Whoop, whoop. And of course, the flowers on the neck. So much better. And my favorite part about doing why can't I say TikTok? TikToks is that I only have to change my top, and half the time, this is what I'm wearing on the bottom. It's a raccoon onesie. I gave myself temporary tattoos to match the cottagecore vibe, but now they're not coming off. Oh well, You guys have a great day today. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk, but it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was Aries. I had a lot of fun with it. I really tried hard trying to hide the headband from the horns. I forgot that word for a second. Honestly, wigs are so dangerous because every time I wear a new wig, I want to dye my hair a new color. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oop, right here. Ah, she really snapped. Now this side. Ooh, and the nose. Eee. I don't know why I make such weird noises when taking off latex. But now I'm just gonna go wash my face. I'm all clean now, but I decided to leave my eye makeup on because it's kind of bomb. Freaks, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Ah. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Ah. Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. Ah, there we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face all clean. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Y'all already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I want to know what happens if I just pull the thread. Ow. Ah! Let's do it a little slower for this side. That wasn't very slow, was it? We still got these pieces though. Ooh. Yummy. I can't control the things that I say sometimes. I apologize. Last little piece. Nice. This is useless. I'm gonna go wash my face. Alright, I think I got like most of it. But you guys have a great day today.